Oceans and continents. Arav was sitting by the window one sunny afternoon, dreaming about the world beyond his neighborhood. Curious, he opened his atlas and saw the colorful map of the earth. His finger first stopped at Antarctica. He imagined the frozen land of snow and ice, where penguins waddle and cold winds blow endlessly. Then, he traced upwards to Africa, picturing golden grasslands filled with elephants, lions, and birds. Arav smiled and thought, one day, I will see these places myself. Like Arav, let's explore the world of oceans and continents. Distribution of water and land. Earth is often called the blue planet because more than 71% of its surface is water and only 29% is land. Most of this water, 97%, is in oceans and is too salty to drink. Just a tiny fraction, 0.03%, is fresh water that we can use. Oceans. Oceans are vast bodies of water that cover most of the earth and connect with each other. Together, they help control the climate, provide oxygen, and support marine life. There are 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, the largest and deepest, home to the Mariana Trench. Atlantic Ocean, shaped like an S, with busy harbors and trade routes. Indian Ocean, triangular in shape, named after India, vital for trade. Southern Ocean surrounds Antarctica with icy waters. Arctic Ocean, the smallest, around the North Pole. Oceans give us rainfall, food, transport routes, and even clean energy. Tiny ocean plants, called phytoplankton, produce nearly half of the oxygen we breathe. Oceans and life. From tiny plankton to giant blue whales, oceans are full of life. There are over 240,000 known species, including fish, sea turtles, dolphins, and crabs. Plants like algae and seaweed provide food and shelter, making oceans rich ecosystems. Ocean challenges. Oceans can also be dangerous. Tsunamis caused by underwater earthquakes. Hurricanes that form over warm seas. Climate change, melting ice, and rising sea levels. Pollution, especially plastics, that harm marine life. Continents. Continents are large land masses rising above the oceans. Long ago, they were joined as one land called Pangaea, but slowly drifted apart into the 7 continents we know today. Asia, the largest, with half the world's population. Africa, the second largest, home to the Nile River and Sahara Desert. North America, linked to South America by the Isthmus of Panama. South America, home to the Amazon River and rainforest. Antarctica, the frozen continent, with no permanent people. Europe, smaller, but rich in history and culture. Australia, the smallest, also called the island continent. Islands. An island is land surrounded by water. India has 2 main island groups. Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea, made of coral. Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal, volcanic in origin.